And look what I found. A Spirit Halloween. I didn't even know they're open right now. But we're gonna go and see it, and I literally cannot wait. Okay, here we are. Oh my god. Welcome to the circus. Oh my goodness, Scream. What's this? Oh my god. Oh. Oh my god.
I am the guardian of tormented souls.
Oh.
Win, you get a prize. If you lose, well, don't say I didn't warn you.
Oh wow. Wow. Ooh, what happens if I go through here? I'm going through this. Oh my god. Oh, clowns. Oh, they play like little displays. Wow. Oh my god, I remember that. How long ago was that? I don't remember. Cool. That looks like a screen. Oh, it's not. Why does that look familiar? Like I've seen this before. So cool. Oh, they have Corpse Bride. Does it work? Oh. I don't think this one works. Oh, that's cool. Ooh. I don't think I can be here for long because there's copyrighted music in here, but oh my god, I actually have this cup. I have no idea what happened to it. I moved and I guess I lost it. I don't know what happened to it. So here's all the stuff. This is Pennywise. I forgot who that is. Jason Voorhees, Terrifier. Look at that. So cool. It's that over here. Oh, this is like a little thing. I don't think it works. Oh yeah, it does work. Just have to hold it down. Wow. God, look who I found while I was here. Oh my goodness. Look. That literally, like... I'm gonna make this a thumbnail. Oh my god, that's so cool. I didn't show the entire clip because I had music in the background and I couldn't record that. But I did get some stuff, and it's so cool. And now when I go home, I'm gonna go review them. But yeah, here's everything I got. So I'm gonna show you guys. So I got a cup. What was that? I got a cup. This is Michael Myers. This is what it looks like, and it's like in this red and it looks so nice. So I got that. I got this little blind bag, which I'm going to open up in a bit. And I also got this little snow globe from Chucky, and you shake it and it's like that, and it's glittery and it's so cool. That's pretty much all I got, like only 3 things, but it's so cool, and I'm going to open this up, so hold up. I already got this open, but I forgot to mention is that my mom got a cup. This is like a Hocus Pocus cup, and it looks so cool, and that's what it looks like. So yeah, but I'm gonna open it up and I can't wait. So as you guys can see, I got the Freddy one that's on the thing right there, and it has a lot of them. See, look, I have the poster, Annabelle, Pennywise, all that, but I got the Freddy one, and it's so cool. So that was so fun. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.